We decided to go for a walk in the Swedish forest. And as we got out of the car, did you hear that? We got out of the car, you could hear this. It sounded like a nail gun. It's a woodpecker, a giant woodpecker. So now I want to find it.
We're in a Swedish forest, Pamela.
We're in a Swedish forest.
Any woodpeckers?
No. We've been following the red dots and everybody assures us that the parking lot is just up here. But it's the wrong parking lot. We're not lost, we're just mislaid.
Pamela!
I don't think we're lost, but even Google doesn't know where we're going.
You happy, Pamela?
I'm so happy. We kind of thought we might be lost, but then you see the red dot. The red dot special. I think we've got a van coming up. If not, we're in trouble. But hey, what a beautiful walk. There it is. I love our van, especially now.
You're a tree hugger and a van hugger.
Well, it's an hour later than we anticipated.